Up for sale, 1956 Chevy 210. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 56 210, finished in red, super quality interior. And before I do tell you everything I know about it, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Andrew, and my business is Next Gen Classic Cars of Illinois. The website's nextgenclassiccars.com. The link for that is in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. My eBay store link is also in there as well. You can contact me through eBay, email, phone call. If you want to just say hi, that's fine too. But today I got this beast, this monster. I apologize for my laughter. Starting off, 532 Merlin, 800 horsepower, so it's a 532 stroker, turbo 400 trans with a stall converter, 373 rear, Caltrax, 4-wheel Wildwood disc brakes. The paint on the car is beautiful, the chrome, the trim, the glass, tires are awesome. I mean, the outside's really quality built, inside quality built, components quality. But anyway, we'll start here in the front on the chrome bumper. I mean, that you see here, this is, other than this finger smudge, chrome on the front, trim, bezels, sweet. Super nice. It's sold at Mecum in 2013. It's been a private collection since then. Was originally from Texas and Oklahoma before that. So they took a solid southern car and then did this to it. Good place to start. You see nice fitment there on the hood. I love the grates on the hood too. Nice fitment there as well. And the quality of the paint, again, I mean, this beautiful quality, beautiful quality. I mean, and very nicely maintained all the way around. And you'll see that as I go. But anyway, what we're all here for, including myself, is this. So it's a 532 stroker, 800 horsepower. It's got big boy headers on a Team G intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads, aluminum radiator, dual master cylinder for the 4-wheel Wildwood disc brakes. I'm competing with the wind here, so I'm going to move over to this side, try and block it with the hood. Firewall's painted beautifully. You still got the cowl tack in place. You see there all the quality finish. It's got a brand new alternator we put on there, brand new MSD box. That one hurt, I'm not going to lie. We put that on there. Super nice in here. I mean, what a quality built car. Now that the wind's kind of died down, let me come over here, show you this. She moves. I have not been in it yet. I am going to get in it for the driving today. It'll be my first time. I have been waiting for this moment to do it, and you're gonna get an honest reaction. I have that Nova, the '69 Nova right now, kind of a similar car, but a 56 Chevy is, first off, the stance of this car. Second off, a Tri-5 is a classic American car, and to do this to it, oh my gosh. I mean, if I see a flaw in the car, I'll point it out. Fitment all the way around the car, though. Like, look how nice the fender lines up here to the door and to the rocker. Super nice. I see one thing right here, a little mark that's been touched up on the bottom. Again, Texas, that was 12 and 13. And then I know from the title, was in Oklahoma before that, Wall Dragway. Windshield beautiful. I mean, trim around it, the stainless there, super nice. All this glass is super nice. And again, finish, there's a little mark right there, but finish all the way down is super nice. I mean, the paint's beautiful. You hop on in here. One, all quality interior, quality seats. You got a sweet roll cage that pops out so you can get in. I know people like that. So I have that there laying it so you see, how it bolts in and whatnot. I'm sure you all know that. Again, speaking of a solid southern car, look how nice the hem is here in the door. No Bondo. No, not reworked. That didn't need to. New door panels. Finish in here is all super nice as well. G-Force Racing seat belts on this side. Headliner's beautiful. Back seat, probably never even sat in. Beautiful. Oftentimes they skimp out on the back seat. This one they didn't. Quality built. There's your, oh, I sat on the seatbelt. There's your VinTAC, not taken out of the car. Factory V8 car as well. Come on into the dash. You got your factory steering wheel. I love to see that. The paint on the dash is just as nice as the outside. Stainless on the dash is sweet. Couple added gauges down there. Got a beefy shifter in there as well for it. That looks aggressive. Kick panels are nice too. I mean, I don't want to just keep repeating myself, but you get the idea. Do I have the key? I do have the key, yes. Also, I love the American Racing wheels on there. Here's another mark that I see here, maybe more of a touch-up, like a larger chip. Maybe they bumped something opening it up. It's been touched up. No bubbles on the car. I would like to point that out. Nothing. Obviously nothing, especially, being a Southern car and stored inside for 9 years. The collection. Body is straight. I'm going to refocus my camera. Bear with me. Body is straight. Rear bumper. Super nice as well. Shut off on the back there. Trunk lid fitment. It's a little droplet. Trunk lid fitment the way you want it to be. And ironically, most Tri-5s are chipped. And these bottom corners, this is not. And this is not. However, there's a little crack right there in the paint. And I know there's one touch-up right there. Maybe doing something with the license plate at some point. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk. There's one of these. You even got a little 532 stroke or 800 horsepower in there. Super, super nice finish in here. Carpet down there. Material on top. Really just finishing the trunk. I love going that little extra length. Beautiful finish in this jam all the way around. And up here. I mean, even these are sweet. Both of them. You see the roll cage. To the back there into a properly finished package tray. My right hand's freezing. We got a cold, windy day out here today. I'm happy I'm doing it in a little less wind than normal. Longer studs in there. You see the Wildwood caliper. This is a machine right here. A couple little droplets on the paint. Wipe those off. You probably saw those. This is nothing. Look how sweet that is. Oh, another thing on the paint here. I must not have looked at passenger side over as well. That is sweet. That is sweet. That is sweet again. Glass is nice. You see here again how nice this metal is in here. I assume you saw that, yeah. Sometimes I don't look at my screen. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 56210 Merlin 532 stroker, 800 horsepower. I can't believe I get to even say that. Turbo 400 trans with a stall converter. Oh, I didn't even mention it. When it was at Meekum, Merlin 532 800, Turbo 4 trans with stall, 373 gear, new tires, miles on the engine. Keep going here. Look at that fitment. We are going to fire it up here just a few seconds. Go up and down the street with her. get on the straightaway over there and let you see it. And I'll be inside for it. So thanks for watching. And here we go. No, he's picking me up. Give me a second here. Let me. Oh boy. My helmet. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. This thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even know what you said. I can't breathe.
This is like a dream come true, man.
I can't breathe.
Yeah,
Where'd
it
it
just
go?
takes your breath and everything.
Oh, it took everything out of me.
Yeah. I wish the road was warmer.
I know. Yep, I'm ready. I know we need a straight. Yep. That much I know about racing. All right, let me have it. There's Dad on the truck watching. Holy. Thank you, people. My heart just exploded.
My heart is